What up, boys? We're back today. I'm picking up the white EG hatch from Mayhem. If you have not seen the playlist, I picked up this original white EG hatch from Cali. Had it shipped here probably like 5 months ago. The car's been at paint. We had stripped the complete car down, brought it to Mayhem, and he painted the whole car for us. If you guys don't know who Mayhem is, growing up, he painted all my cars for me, and I just stopped painting cars for a while because it takes painting a car it's a process. So today, if you haven't watched the playlist, go back and rewatch it so you guys know exactly what car I'm talking about. You can see it from when I got it to how it is now. So the whole car is painted. We did the engine bay, exterior, jams, and we got like a few other small things done, but we'll be there soon and I'll show you guys the car. Just got to Mayhem shop, the richest Connecticut right here. Yo, when you dress like this, that means you got money. And you got the Max shirt. That shirt probably costs like 200 bucks, bro.
It's faded though.
Yo, Mosh, real quick, how long I known you for?
10 plus years.
Yo, you knew me since I was like this, right?
Yeah, 10 plus years.
How many hatchbacks do you think you painted for me?
Thousands, easy.
A good fucking amount. That's all I used to do when I was 15,
all hatches,
16.
Yeah, all hatches. We've done tons of hatches for you.
So, I probably bought you cars when I was 14, and I'm 29 now. Yeah. Crazy. So, that's a long time. Yo, you getting old, bro.
Damn, I look old. Shit.
Whoa. Yeah, so it's been a long fucking time.
You know what? It's been a great relationship. It's, a lot of ups and downs. I see you guys grow. I'm very proud. Let the haters hate. You know what I'm saying? I know the story, and anytime I can help out,
you my boy, bro.
I don't mind doing it, man. Anytime I can help out, let's do it.
Let's check this car out, bro.
Let's check it out.
Yo, how bad was this shit?
Terrible. But it's a Civic, so it's a hatch.
You can't let it go.
Nah, I can't let it go. We gotta go back to where we originally started. How we started this relationship was with a hatch. You know what I'm saying? And we gotta go back to the roots.
Man, this car looks fucking good.
It. You told me you want the old Mayhem, the old Macho.
Hell yeah.
You want me to go back because I do a lot of other stuff now.
You're a lot of insurance drive. I don't know if y'all can see. You got a bunch of cars back here, crashed, totaled. That shit's pretty bad. That's 2000 that he don't ever want to touch.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll get to that later. So what was the worst part in this car? The quarter, right?
The driver's quarter, the driver's rear quarter. If you want to go look at it.
So we did the engine bay. It's strapped down or not? Yeah, I think so.
Strapped. Oh, fuck. Want me to unstrap it? Let me unstrap it.
Yeah, let's get a quick video of the engine bay. Yo, this car is in pieces though. Yo, Maj, how long do you think it's gonna take us to put this thing back together?
The way as fast as you guys work? Less than 7 days?
That's cool right there. Oh, I don't know if you can get it out. Oh, alright.
We didn't want to get too crazy with the shave.
Yeah,
we got rid of all the...
Not many painters do this, right? He took off all the bolts so he can get all the paint underneath.
All the bolts, all the plastic plugs, all that stuff that's inside. We didn't get too crazy with the shave.
It looks good though. I don't like shaving the base complete, so when I put the car together, I can put whatever I want anywhere,
Right.
So...
Makes sense.
Check this out. We got the mirrors in here. The outer caps of the mirrors. This car is super dirty right now. So... I can't. It's hard to pick up the paint quality on camera, but this thing.
It's white now. The sun's beaming.
Thing looks really it's flat too. I don't know if you guys remember this quarter. It was like it was like pulled right a little bit.
All pushed in.
But for a Cali car, that's the only reason why I wanted to save it.
Yeah, no rust, no nothing. It was definitely pretty clean.
It ain't bad. So we're gonna go back to the shop. I'm gonna bring it inside the shop. I ain't gonna lie to you, the interior is probably gonna take me like 2-3 weeks.
Just to clean?
Bro, check this interior. It's fucking filthy. There's literally parts everywhere. The worst part about the build is actually putting all the parts out onto the floor.
And taking your time putting everything back together.
Back together, yeah, without scratching shit.
We got enough paint though.
That's alright.
So we good. We got enough paint. If we gotta repaint, whatever we gotta repaint, we got enough paint.
I'm gonna ask Mayhem the question that everybody usually asks in the comments, right?
Yeah, what's that?
If someone came to you with a hatchback or whatever, same condition, how much does a paint job like this cost? Don't be afraid to say the numbers out there. People know.
10, 11,000.
All right. That's what me and my brother were saying in the last video. We were saying like 10 to 15,000, depending on how crazy.
Depending on how crazy.
Because I remember I brought you back when I was younger. You painted the interior on a car, like complete inside outside. I know that shit costs a lot more money.
Right.
The prep work, and then I brought Mayhem my turbo car. He had to jump in between the cage to actually get the paint everywhere.
Yeah, you remember that? Yeah. That's right.
I bet you can't do that now though, huh?
Hell no, I got a bad back. I'm old now. Knees hurt. No, yeah, between 10 and 15, depending on the color, depending on how crazy we're getting.
Pearl, stuff like that, because every paint is different.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, for sure.
This shit came out amazing. Like, it's tough to see right now because we're outside in the sun. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the car when we get to my shop. Obviously the car looks like shit because the Steelies, interior's all apart, no windows, we got brand new windshield, so the car's gonna go together pretty quickly because we got all the parts at the shop. I got the engine fully together, nitrous kit. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen the playlist on the car when we dropped it off here, and so now we're picking the car up. So go back, rewatch that so you can keep updated. This is the next build in the shop, so.
Nice.
I can't fucking wait, bro.
Nice, me neither, I can't wait either.
No, thank you.
Of course, no, thank you guys.
Just got the hatch back to the shop. Really ain't looking forward to this build. It's a lot of work. Yo, Kev, you fucking ready, bro?
Yeah, baby, I was born ready.
We got a lot of work to do. Y'all took like 3 months on the last interior to finish. This one might be even worse.
Nah, it's not gonna be that long.
You ever heard the saying, if it ain't white, it ain't right?
Yeah, if it ain't white, it ain't right.
I'm gonna load the car, bring it in the shop, and I'll show you guys what it looks like underneath. You know, it's like underneath shade. How about that? Because it's hard to tell the paint quality, like how it looks. But about to unload it with Kev. Let's get this started, man. I'm not looking forward to this build, but a lot of work. A lot of work. Hopefully, who's undercoating? I don't know you.
Me.
I'm putting my 2 weeks in. Alright, we got the car in the shop. Before we start this build, can I get my credit card back?
No.
Nah.
You already know what to do.
Probably spoon parts, some shit we don't need. Yeah, Jack, can I get a 1320 exhaust? Oh, you got one.
I'll never put one on a car again.
No, bitch. ktuned.
Alright, I'm gonna give you guys the plans, the updates, what's gonna go down. Is the next shop build for us. This car, I think it's a 92 maybe, or 93? What year is it?
Yeah,
Why does that matter?
93, so I can tell them what I did.
What'd you do?
So we painted.
Well, you didn't paint.
Well, Mayhem painted. He did a good job. Painted the outside.
That wasn't really enthusiasm. Like, did he do a good job?
Yes, he did a good job.
Let's take a walk around the car before we get started.
You guys remember the main part was this part right here.
It was a quarter.
Remember it was like pushed in? So he put the car in a frame machine and he pulled the quarter back out. Because I asked, I said, do you want me to buy a new quarter? He said, no. This car obviously has all the original panels on the car, so we wanted to save it. So we pulled the quarter, pulled it out nice, straightened it out. Looks really good.
Yo, this is a lot of work, bro. Like a lot of work.
Can we do a burnout?
And
No more than
you guys did enough burnouts in this, you remember?
Pull up the videos that when we raced.
Nah, I got the playlist. So like I said, if you guys haven't seen this car, go back, watch the playlist from when we first got this car.
How long has it been?
This car was fast, wasn't it? This was the champion, right?
Yeah, it was the champ. It's been like, how long has it been? Like 6 months? For 5 months?
Or somewhere around there.
What's the plan?
Since it's a champion, it's gonna get a fucking hell of a fucking swap, I'll tell you that.
We got the swap already done, no?
Yeah, so it's gonna have a 2.4 with a 2.0 head, nitrous setup. Should probably make somewhere like 400 horse.
What about bolt?
Bolts?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll let you two decide. Drop in the comments, can we open up the bay real quick? Should we do silver, like plated bolts, like regular OEM, or zinc? I'm gonna go zinc because it's white.
I'm going zinc first because we haven't even done any zinc yet.
No.
And it's white. Zinc on white. Remember the integra we did for Tommy?
It was nice, but the only reason why I say silver is because the interior is staying blue.
I don't know, but the bay is completely different.
Apparently fucking Honda put zinc bolts from the factory blue interior, so I don't know.
I'm gonna have a blue. I'm gonna have a blue valve cover.
Blue valve cover?
Yeah.
Then what color wheels?
Mac blue wheels, Mac blue valve cover.
Nah,
Put
right?
zinc the lug nuts.
No.
No?
Drop in the comments zinc bolts or regular bolts. I'm going zinc. Me and J-Rock, my brother wants regular. I'm guessing you riding with my brother, right, Kev? Zinc?
No, silver.
Three
All
zinc,
cars
one
are
silver.
definitely zinc, but this
What
car
about a
silver.
mix? What if we do like a collab?
How are you not asking about Mag Blue valve cover though?
What?
Mag Blue is just like, the white EK just had a Mag Blue valve cover and blue
what
TEs.
EK?
The EK hatch, the East Coast import car.
That was a Mag Blue.
It was blue?
That was Hyper Blue.
Blue is blue, right? Blue is blue. Blue valve cover, blue wheels. You gotta change it up. Maybe do, what would I do? Silver or like gunmetal. I don't know. Honestly, you can't do TEs. You did TEs on every single car.
The thing is, we already got the wheels.
What about yellow valve cover?
No.
Let me guess. Blue valve cover, blue TEs.
Yes.
Nah. We gotta switch it up, right?
This car is gonna need
What's it gonna need?
a nice cage.
Cage?
That's what sets it off. Like a
I don't know. White cage though?
No,
No.
not white.
What color would you do it?
Match the valve cover and the wheels.
All right. I'm not going TE37s. I think we should pick some different wheels. Maybe some CEs. Could we get blue CEs?
This is Vegas.
Yes, Rega, that's actually a good one. I'm gonna go no TEs.
The shit that sucks is the car's 4-lug. It's hard to find 4-lug wheels.
Fix that. Look at the stage that it's at. You can,
Exactly. You can put whatever you want.
It's a blank piece of paper right now.
I'm gonna go 5-lug blue CE28s with, because they have that color blue CEs with that matching valve cover. I think that should have looked fucking great. That shit, 400 horsepower, and then
Yeah.
blue Recaros.
You know what'd be fire? You know what'd be fire?
What's that?
What about if you take those wheels right there?
No.
I got some
Hell no.
fire.
What?
Bring it old school.
What's old school?
The old school, the Mugen wheels. Some all polished Mugen wheels.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, right? Blue CE28, 16-inch, the blue valve cover, blue Recaros, keep all the blue interior, blue dash, blue door panels, blue cargo cover, carbon wing, carbon mirrors. I think that shit would be like nice. 400 horsepower, insane. It would make insane videos. And you guys can't be afraid to beat on it after we're done.
What motor setup is going on?
2420 on nitrous on like 150 shot. Crazy. We do have the motor set up, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere over there. One of those engines belongs to this car. I think it's the cleaner one. No. Maybe.
It's a yellow valve.
Yellow valve cover one. No?
Yeah, it is. No.
It's one of those two.
This one. This is it right here. Essentially, we stole a bunch of parts from it. It's got a skunk manifold, bunch of parts on it. But nitrous, 150 shot, in fucking insane. When was the last time you drove in a nitrous car? Oh wait.
Fuck you, bitch.
Who's excited? Someone do a cartwheel for me. No? You guys ain't excited?
Let me see you do a cartwheel.
Nah.
Show the
Nah, I ain't showing you guys.
Yo, the eye of the tiger.
Nah, you gotta do it. Show them your cartwheel.
I'm gonna show you guys my half cartwheel.
Yo, your leg didn't even go up in the air, bro. The fuck is that? Oh
All right,
man.
boys, I'm gonna end it.
He needs some milk.
Yo, you got some funny ass shit coming. But I'm ending this video here. This is the next shop build. Get excited, I guess. I'm not excited. It's a lot of fucking work to be done here. So.
Why you not excited? Because you know
What happened? Hold on. This isn't the right white hatchback that we said we're gonna do next.
Oh, it isn't. It's not the right car.
Let's just push this one out and grab the other one.
Nah, we're not building the white SI hatch. See you guys later.